just watched a video, gave a few tips about caulking. I'm going to try to apply those. This is a dry run. I have not tried this yet. He recommended a small hole. This is for caulking some trim. And then also filing the edge, basically making an angle so that way it fits in the groove that you're trying to caulk. Helps it stay in there better so it doesn't slip out. And then an orientation line on the tip. I thought this one is very simple and trick. So very intelligent. Simple makes it intelligent. So here it goes. And if you're wondering why there's such a big gap here, and I'm not tacking this into the wall. This is a log cabin. Since the roof sits on top of the logs can expand and contract and move up and down. This trim piece is only attached to the ceiling, or this shoe molding, whatever you want to call it, attached to the ceiling. This is attached to this, and so it can move. And here it goes. I'm going to try it on the small one first. Love the orientation line. Not very consistent with my application of the bead. Still need a mess. A little bit. I kind of like that. I don't know how this is going to work with the with this big one though. One thing you recommended was doing several light lines and building it up. Oops, I forgot to release my lever. Not much of a groove here that I can really, I don't know how I'm going to do this. But anyway, that's that. It's a good tip for the top. I think it worked well. Anything, have a wet rag ready. That's what the cleanup on this caulk says. And this is some high stretch caulk. I don't know if it'll be stretchy enough for this stuff. I'm doing this before I paint. This is paintable caulk. So